then it will come directly to your material fillet. Then I have already created the material. If you want to create the material, you can go to the previous video in session. So I am choosing steel. Okay, now you can see, the solid model already updated. If you want to update, means it will comes perfectly. Now our mesh creation and material is addition of material completed. Then comes to your material select structural scenario creation. So go to structural. As we are analyzing the structural model, so go to the structural. Our So first in setup we need to add a finite element model, that is mesh. We have already created, so no need to create. We need to select that structural model. Then comes to the procedure. So in procedure we will add structure static fluctuation. Okay. Okay. As you see, setup and part already completed, and connection and interaction is optional. This connection and interaction is optional. If you want to add also, you can add, but here it is showing it's optional. So as it is optional, I am not going through that part. So now we'll go for resistance. Restraint it means it's one type of resistance. So first I am giving the clamp in this phase. Okay, as it is a plane, as it is a linear plane, so I am giving the clamp. If you, but here it is two surfaces, but it is in one planar, so planar symmetry. First surface, and second surface, it is in planar symmetry. Now we can see it is these two restraint completed. Now we will go for the load creation. Load, we need to apply the load. So pressure, this is the first surface. Okay, then second surface, and if you want to add also, here you can add the it will apply the load. 3 space and 500 gigapascal. Yes, it is applied perfectly. Now you can go to the simulation, simulate. Before simulate, you can, if you want to update it also, update means you can go for the update, then simulation. Okay, then it will go directly to launching simulation, your mesh creation, model scenario, everything it will check at a time. If you want to check that three model simulation check, model and scenario check, you can do separately. But if your procedure is in perfect, means you can go directly for a simulate. As our procedure is correct, so directly went to the simulation. Where are you going? Now you can see that one mesh trace everything. Then we'll get the result. Here result, play animation. as we apply the force in this surface and this the and both three side, then the displacement or whatever the stress, it will act in the shade only. So if you want to plot the contour also, it is possible. So plot the contour, apply. Okay. So in that last one stress, plot the contour, play animation. If you want to add the in displacement, if you want to add the plot with respect to time, you can go for that, play animation. And lot of thing is there. So the maximum and minimum value of the, so the maximum and minimum value of the displacement tree here, so only minimum value here, so only maximum global value here both. And this is for edit the maximum and minimum count.